Right from the beginning, we projected 4 to 5 weeks, but we have capability to go far longer than that.
If I tell you that in just 24 hours, the United States may have spent nearly $800 million on military action, would that shock you? Now think bigger. What if this operation lasts 4 weeks? As the United States and Israel carry out strikes on Iran, tensions in the Middle East are rising fast. Missiles are being fired, drones are in the sky, warships are moving into position. But beyond the explosions and headlines, there is another powerful force at work. US President Donald Trump has suggested that the operation could last 4 to 5 weeks. At the same time, he has said America has the power to continue much longer if needed. And in modern war, time means money. According to estimates cited by Turkey's Anadolu's news agency, the United States may have spent around $779 million, which is 6,500 crore rupees, in just the first 24 hours. And even before the first strike happened, there was already a huge military buildup. Aircraft were moved closer to the region, naval ships were deployed, forces were put on alert. That preparation alone may have cost more than $600 million. So before the full operation even began, over $1 billion may already have been spent. And that is just the beginning. Modern wars are mostly fought from the sky. Advanced fighter jets like F-16, F-18, F-22 and F-35s are being used in airstrikes. These aircraft are powerful, but they are extremely expensive to operate. Every hour in the air costs thousands of dollars in fuel and maintenance. Every missile launched can cost hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions of dollars. Drones like the MQ-9 Reaper are also part of the mission. They may not carry pilots, but they are not cheap. Then comes the Navy. Keeping a large aircraft carrier group in the region can cost around $6.5 million every single day. And that is only to stay deployed, not even full combat. If multiple naval groups remain there for weeks, the cost rises very quickly. And remember, this does not include missile defense systems, intelligence work, transport and logistics support. The spending never really stops. We have seen this before. The war in Afghanistan lasted nearly 20 years. According to the AP, the US Congress approved more than $1 trillion for direct war operations. But when long-term costs were added, rebuilding efforts, medical care for veterans, interest on borrowed money, the total cost crossed $2.3 trillion. Even today, America is still paying for that war. Wars do not end when the fighting ends. The bill continues for decades. And there is another big risk in this current conflict, which is oil. Iran has shut down the Strait of Hormuz and warned that any vessel attempting to pass could be targeted and set on fire. A large part of global oil supply passes through this narrow waterway. The Strait of Hormuz is one of the world's most important shipping routes and its most vital oil transit choke point. Blocking the strait could further inflate the cost of goods and services worldwide and hit some of the world's biggest economies, including China, India and Japan, which are among the top importers of crude oil passing through the waterway. And when oil prices rise, everything becomes expensive. Fuel prices go up, transport becomes costly, food prices increase, inflation rises. These are not just American problems. Many countries are going to suffer. So the big question is, how long will this last? US leaders say this will not become another endless war. They say the mission is limited and focused. But history shows that the conflicts in the Middle East can change very quickly. Right now, missiles are still being exchanged. Air operations are ongoing, the situation remains tense. In just a few days, the cost is already in billions. If it lasts weeks, the number will grow sharply. If it lasts months, the financial impact could be massive. War is fought with weapons, but it is paid for with money. Taxpayer money, borrowed money, and future money. And as this conflict continues, the real question may not just be who wins. The real question is how much it will cost in every aspect.
Times of India videos, your daily dose of India and the world. Global news, different views, and sharp analysis.
Pressure of expectation from your fans, your supporters.
That has often served as a backdrop for several Bollywood.
You're not a brute majority anymore. If you individually take out Tera,
Making sense of global conflicts. Tracking the new emerging world order.
strike on Israeli military bases.
A multi-pronged
to stay out of harm's way as Israel started bombing targets across.
Understanding changing alliances in a polarized world. Tune into TOI videos for all this and more. Click on the bell icon to subscribe and never miss an update.